A nail gun is a handy power tool that can secure, fasten crown molding, and so much more. There are many products available to choose nail guns, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best nail guns from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Porter Cable Cordless Brad Nailer Kit. This battery-powered brad nailer is conveniently cordless for maneuverability and ease of use. By using batteries to power its motor, users can save on costly compressors, hoses, and gas cartridges. It also features a depth adjustment wheel and tool-free stall release lever. What customers are saying? The majority of customers who reviewed this nail gun enjoyed that it was battery-powered and free from cables or cords. They also stated that the nail gun was lightweight and comfortable to operate, and that it was quick and easy to load brands. On the other hand, dissatisfied customers said that the unit kept misfiring after relatively minimal use, and others received a faulty battery right out of the box. What we like about it? Features a tool-free jam release, comes with a 3-year warranty. Number 2. Metabo HPT Roofing Nailer. Designed for serious D'ers, this lightweight roofing nailer is a powerful tool that simplifies shingle installation. The gun contains a convenient side-loading magazine and a toolless nail depth adjuster that reduces setup time and allows you to maintain a steady workflow. What customers are saying? This roofing nailer from Metabo received an average rating of 4.7 stars out of 5 from over 200 customer reviews, which is in line with the average rating across all products recommended in this review. When we considered customer reviews from other leading e-commerce sites, this nailer's average rating increased to 4.8 stars. Additionally, 94% of customers rated this product 4 stars or above. What we like about it? Includes a side-loading magazine for simple nail replacement, offers a tool-less depth adjustment, easy to handle at just under 6 pounds. Number 3. Bostitch Air Compressor Combo Kit. This air compressor combo kit is designed with the beginner in mind. The nail gun kit comes with 3 nail guns, including a brad nailer, a straight finish nailer, and a heavy-duty crown stapler, so users have everything required to complete a wide variety of carpentry projects. What customers are saying? This Bostitch Air Compressor Combo Kit received an average of 4.7 stars out of 5 from over 1,700 customer reviews, which is in line with the average customer rating of 4.7 stars across all 6 recommended nail guns. When factoring in reviews from other leading customer review sites, the Bostitch kit's average customer rating increased to 4.9, showing a lift in customer satisfaction outside of the Amazon platform. What we like about it? Includes a compressor, brad nailer, finish nailer. Number 4. Arrow Fastener Staple and Nail Gun. Small, simple, and compact, we recommend this staple and nail gun for crafting projects or light carpentry use. The gun accommodates a variety of staples and nails to help users work on different surfaces and materials. It also quickly switches between different fasteners for utility. What customers are saying? Positively, customers appreciated that this fastener staple and nail gun was lightweight, cordless, compact, and easy to use. They added that the battery lasted a long time between charges and was able to fire plenty of nails and staples on a single charge. Negatively, some customers reported that the staples and nails didn't drive far enough into the objects they were stapling or nailing into. What we like about it? The lithium-ion battery fires over 1,000 shots per full charge. The color-coded guide helps users select the correct fasteners for different projects. Can fire T50 staples, JT21 staples, T25 staples, 18-gauge brads, and 18-gauge pin nails. Number 5. Numax Pneumatic Framing Nailer. This nailer accelerates the process of framing a home by supporting large nails capable of securing dense 2x4s. Reducing the legwork needed during framing, it offers no slip teeth for increased stability and an interchangeable trigger for customizable nail firing. What customers are saying? The Numax Pneumatic Framing Nailer received an average customer rating of 4.6 stars out of 5 from over 2,500 reviews. When we average customer ratings from other top e-commerce sites like Home Depot and Walmart, the nail gun's average rating slightly decreased to 4.5. Although the Numax nailer received the lowest customer rating on Amazon, only 5% of customers rated the product 2 stars or less. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching.